and humidity. So let's discuss here. Virus survival in humidity. So now let's see how basically the virus is survived in this humidity. Okay. So yeah, the first we can say as we have what envelope virus and non-envelope virus. So the lipid virus are basically more valuable than non-lipid virus. Means lipid virus cannot can say survive more in the humid condition as non-lipid virus can. Non-lipid virus. Okay. So again here we have what here the envelope virus such as here we have envelope virus which have basically the lipid covering. Envelope viruses are corona and influenza. So basically they can survive in the humidity around 20 to 30% they can survive in the humidity. And if I to talk about the non-envelope, so non-envelope viruses which can include we can say airborne virus, airborne virus. So this is a non we can say envelope virus or we can say adenovirus, rhinovirus. So these are non-envelope and they can survive in humidity around 70 to 90%. As I told you, the lipid or the envelope virus cannot survive more than the non-envelope virus. Okay, so I hope this is also clear the virus survival in humidity. So now we should go with the virus survival and light. How virus survive in the sunlight or in the light? Mm-hmm. Virus survival and light. So now let's discuss how basically virus survive in light. So as we have what we have one term which is plankton. Plankton. Now this plankton is basically these are those animals we can say those organisms that float on the surface of water or they are the aquatic environment. Organism float on the organism float on water. We can say they are in the aquatic environment. Fine. So they are basically divided into two parts and now. So one part we have what zooplankton, zooplankton. Another we have what phytoplankton. One is zooplankton and another is phytoplankton. So now let's discuss. In the zooplankton we have what we include, for example, jellyfish, which is belong from the jellyfish, which belong from the kingdom Echinodermata. From which belong from the we can say phylum Echinodermata. Now, if we talk about the phytoplankton, this is basically related to photosynthesis, and this is basically occur in the, for example, cyanobacteria, which are photoautotrophs. We will in the next we can say next chapter we're going to discuss about the cyanobacteria, bacteria, prokaryotes, these all. So now these phytoplankton. Phytoplankton are basically viruses which are in the light. Either it can be positive or it can be negative in the light. The positive fact the light is required for the phytoplankton growth as they basically are the photosynthesis so they require the light. So this is in the positive require light. Okay, for growth, for we can say for photosynthesis. But if I do talk about the negative sense, so viral replicate abilities to enhance by the light. So in the light, virus can replicate easily. So this is a negative sense. Virus replicate is also enhanced in virus, means virus can easily replicate in the we can say light. Fine. Now it also be the limit attachment. This can be in the limit form.